5 Foxtrot entering a right down for 20.
5 Foxtrot 20, clear to land, winds 2105.
Clear to land, runway 20, 5 Foxtrot. Alright, there's 20. We're at 1,000. 1 mile away. Make sure I don't lose any more altitude. I'll keep it at 1,000 here. It's been a while since I did a right downwind for 20. We're at 1,000. Alright, I'm Abeam, cutting the power. We're at 15. Flaps 1. We're going to have extra RPM on the idle. Watch my airspeed. 900 turning in. Flaps 2. $870 knots. Watch my airspeed. 650. We're up high here. Full flaps. Full flaps. That was a bad turn of there. Yeah, we floated there because that RPM. Can you get the RPM down? Yeah, Charlie.
59 Fox, ready, Charlie, going 1216.
Charlie ground, 5 Foxtrot. Have a great 4th of July.